Have you ever made a Suno song that was almost perfect? You love the melody, the drums are great, but maybe the vocals feel too loud or the bass feels a little buried. Well, Suno actually has a hidden superpower for this. It's called Get Stems. Most people don't use this feature, but if you start using stems, it changes everything. Think of it like this. Suno gives you a baked cake. Get Stems lets you magically separate that cake back into ingredients. Except instead of flour and sugar, the ingredients are lead vocal, backing vocals, drums, bass, guitars, synths, keys, and more. And now you can remix, rebuild, mute, adjust, or create your own version of the song exactly how you want it. Let me show you how to use it. First, pick your song. I generated this short pop rock track right here inside Suno. We're going to break this exact track apart like Lego. Let's give it a listen first.
I hear the ticking in the night, like a whisper, sharp and slight, cracks in the silence, jagged and cold, a story waiting, untold, untold. Can you feel it? The pulse in the air. Can you hear it? The call everywhere. Shatter the silence, break it wide, let the echoes collide.
Open your song in your Suno library. Click the three dots on the right side. You'll see Get Stems, and when you click that, you get two options. One option is vocals plus instrumental for 10 credits, and the other option is all detected stems for 50 credits. This can split your song into up to 12 separate instrumental and vocal stems. Let's choose that one and see what happens. And here we are. Wow, look at all these tracks it found. Lead vocal, backing vocals, drums, bass, guitars, keys, synth. You can solo any stem with the S button, which makes everything else muted. First, let's hear the lead vocals in solo.
I hear the ticking in the night, like a whisper, sharp and slight, cracks in the silence, jagged and cold, a story waiting, untold, untold. Can you feel it? The pulse in the air. Can you hear it? The call everywhere. Shatter.
That's pretty good. Now just the drums.
Wide, let the echoes collide. Silence, no holding on. Your shadow moves. That's just in. A spark ignite. Warm within. The chains break.
Perfect. And I'm surprised to see we even have backup vocals.
Breaking your wall, let the echoes collide, colliding the quiet, and making us out of the silence holding down. Your shadow moves.
Great. This is how real producers do remixing. Once you find the version you like, you can take it further into Suno Studio, or you can download the stems in MP3 or WAV. You can download them separately, or download them all at once. Always choose the WAV format if you plan to edit later. WAV keeps all the quality. Also, see this button, Regenerate. If you click that, Suno will try separating again, and sometimes you'll get new surprises. Maybe it isolates the backing vocals better. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Well, it's pretty much the same with main stems, but you can notice that the version 3 has not detected the keyboard stems. It's probably in there with the other stems. And that's how you take Suno creations to the next level. This lets you create real DJ edits, mashups, professional mixes, or completely custom remixes. All possible now. Oh, and one more tip before I go. If you don't have the Get Stems feature yet, if you're in the free plan, you can still fake stems with 2 separate generations. In the style box for your song generating, put a cappella only, dry voice, no music. That gives you a vocal only track.
Give a guy a chance, regrets faster than romance. They never to let me down, deep to my bones. And my I should've known by now. Ooh, what a shock! He's an avoidant. Here I am, begging crumbs like it's enjoyment. God, will these men never grow up? I'm one nerve away from blowing up.
The melody itself is created with vocals, not as perfect as full stem separation, but it can be useful for editing. Try this on your next Suno track. Comment below how you plan to use your stems. If this helped you, hit subscribe to AI Tunecraft, and I'll see you in the next one with more Suno secrets.